This super cute little teddy bear, and I really love the color because I feel like brown and red match so well for Valentine's Day. I know a lot of people don't agree with that, but you will see how this all looks towards the end. And to attach this little bear, as you guys saw in the video, all I did was just use the same ribbon that came with that box to put around the bear's body. And then I just went ahead and assembled his arms and stuff to be at the top of the box. Now, I already decorated my chocolate-covered strawberries. And now I'm just going to be making sure, before I put them in the box, that I'm going to measure the sticks and cut down the length that I need to be sure I do tallest in the back and then shortest in the front, like you guys see here. Now, moving on to our tissue paper. I'm just going to be doing a quick fold, nothing hard. So at the way bottom, just fold it down to the height you're going to need. And then once you do that, fold the two pieces together. And make sure you get pointy tops like I did here. And of course, there are many other ways you can do this. This is just the way I chose because I wanted this to be pointy in my bouquet to cover the sticks at the bottom. And now here, I'm just going to be folding in the edges as much as I needed to be the same width as my box. Did any one of you also buy these boxes? And what did you do with them? Let me know down in the comment section. Because I've also done some cute gift baskets with these as well. I'll go ahead and leave that video linked at the end so you can go ahead and give that a watch. And now here I'm just using my bamboo skewer to go ahead and help me push down my tissue paper all the way to the bottom. And if you're curious to see how I did my chocolate covered strawberries, I do have a video where I show step by step on how I did it and how I made those little cute chocolate roses, which I'll leave that video linked at the end as well, so you can go ahead and give those a watch. Now for the back of my arrangement, I went ahead and folded my tissue paper the exact same way. For the height, I'm just folding it down from the way bottom just to be sure I get the right height in the back. I'm just going to be doing the same exact process, stuffing it down as much as I can with my hand, and then I'm going to be using my bamboo skewer to help me push it down all the way. And this is just going to make sure that our tissue paper doesn't fly away or anything like that. And once I'm done fixing it, I went ahead and just folded a small piece of red because I felt like that would just contrast really good with the berry colors. And I went ahead and did the same thing for the front. This tissue paper that I'm using, I did pick it up from Walmart as well. And let me know down in the comment section how well your Valentine's Day sales went. Did you sell a lot? Did you maybe not do as well as you thought you would? Let me know down below. This year I did not do any sales, but I ended up making this arrangement for my mom. But if I would have sold this, I would have put it at maybe $65 because for sure this arrangement did cost me $26 to make, including our tissue paper, bamboo skewers, taxes, the bear, and our chocolates. For the sides, I'm just making sure my both front pieces and my back pieces match well together to cover those sticks on the side. That's how it looked from the back. And now this is the top front view of our arrangement. I think this came out so cute. And the best part about this is that you can use this template video as a guide if you want to make something similar using a basket or some different type of vase or box. And if you're wondering how to transport this, always use saran wrap for the top. Or that's just what I like to use. And I just stuff the extra down into my box, vase, or basket, whatever I'm using. That way it's just easier for the person who's buying it to go ahead and remove that plastic without messing up the arrangement. And this chocolate-covered strawberry gift basket can be used for any special occasion. Especially because it's a cute DIY treat idea. And like always, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep seeing other cute DIY treat gift basket ideas. I'll leave other similar videos here at the end of the screen so you can go ahead and give those a